Laminations of core are generally made of, say option A, silicon steel. Which of the following could be lamina? Approximately the thickness of laminations of a DC machine. Say option has C, 0.5 millimeter. The armature of a DC generator is laminated to, say option had D, reduce the eddy current loss. The resistance of armature winding depends upon, say option had D, all of the above. Length of the conductor, cross-sectional area of the conductor, number of conductors. The field coils of DC generator are usually made of, say option A, B, copper. The commutator segments are connected to the armature conductors by means of, say option A, copper lugs. In a commutator, say option A, C, mica is harder than copper. In DC generator, the pole shoes are fastened to the pole core by, say option B, countersunk screws. According to Fleming right-hand rule, for finding the direction of induced EMF, when middle finger points in the direction of induced EMF, forefinger will point in the direction of, say option A, B, lines of force. Fleming's right-hand rule regarding direction of induced EMF correlates, say option A, B, magnetic flux, direction of motion, and the direction of EMF induced. While applying Fleming's right-hand rule to the direction of induced EMF, the thumb points towards, say option D, direction of motion, the conductor, if forefinger points along the lines of flux. The bearings used to support the rotor shafts are generally, say option A, ball bearings. In DC generator, the cause of rapid brush wear may be, say option D, any of the above. Wear, sparking, rough commutator surface, imperfect contact. In lap winding, the number of brushes is always, say option B, same as number of poles. For a DC generator, when the number of poles and the number of armature conductors is fixed, then which winding will give the higher EMF? Say option A, B, wave winding. In a 4-pole DC machine, say option A, B, alternate poles are north and south. Copper brushes in DC machine are used where low voltage and high currents are involved. A separately excited generator as compared to a self-excited generator, say option D, has all of above features. In case of DC machine, mechanical losses are primary function of, say option C, speed. Iron losses in DC machine are independent of variations in, say option A, B, load. In DC generators, current to the external circuit for armature is given through, say option A, commutator.